In continuation to my last class, now I am going to discuss with you a new chapter of organ system, that is digestive system. So digestive system which deals with digestion. So digestion, what is digestion? So digestion is a process by which all the food particles that you have taken in your breakfast, lunch, dinner, those should be properly digested with the organs. With the help of organs, you know, that is stomach, suppose. So the stomach is a wider part of the alimentary canal. So this digestion is completing through the alimentary canal. So this system, these organs are extended from mouth to anus. So this system is extended from mouth to anus. When you are taking food, when we are taking food, those foods are vital for your body because different type of foods you are taking. Those foods are carbohydrate foods, protein food, and fatty foods, fats. So by means of different type of food, you are getting mainly three types of foods you are taking. So those foods are to be digested. Suppose examples, carbohydrate foods are in your rice, bread, etc. Protein you are getting from milk, egg, fish, etc. And fats in all type of oily substances. The fatty substances are there. Fat foods you are getting. So in your daily balanced diet, you are taking different type of foods. Accordingly, this food helps for your nourishment of cell structures. It nourishes the cell for the growth and development of the body part, mainly it is requiring. So this process is a continuous process. When you are taking food, that food material, first oral part, that is mouth is oral part. So in mouth your tongue, teeth are there. By the help of teeth and tongue, mastication of food takes place. So this mastication after, food is moving towards stomach through esophagus. Then in stomach, mixing with different enzymes, gastric juices that those are called, it is partly digested. Then it is moving to small intestine. In small intestine, 100% of digestion occurs, and where completion of absorption takes place. So absorption is the main important thing. From the food particle, different type of food you are taking, carbohydrate foods, protein foods and fat food. So from these foods, those nutrients are absorbing. So nutrients, what are the nutrients? From carbohydrates, glucose, absorbing through bloodstream. From protein, amino acids absorbing. And from fats, glycerol. So this is the metabolism. So main thing, these nutrients actually are absorbed with your bloodstream, and it is nourishes your cell, tissue and organs, by which you are getting energy to do some sort of physical activities. So all type of physical activities is completing because you are getting energy. So energy is supplying to different muscles. By the contraction and relaxation of the muscles, your body is working well and you are fit to do any type of work. So after the absorption is over, from small intestine, this absorption is over and it takes place actually. Total digestion is over and absorption is over in small intestine. Then undigested food is moving to large intestine. So from large intestine, the undigested food which is not useful for your body, it will be eliminated. It will be eliminated by the help of, this is anus. This is called feces. So these feces are to be eliminated. This is waste product. So this system is a continuous process as you are taking minimum four times in your daily life, in your daily food diet. In your daily diet you are taking this 4 type of food, mainly 3 type of foods. So these are to be digested by this process. So this organ is called, named as alimentary channel. So this is called your alimentary canal. By the help of this alimentary canal, or it is otherwise known as gastrointestinal tract. So it is extended from. So this, by the help of the gastrointestinal tract, digestive system is completing. So first is mouth, then moving to esophagus. These are all tubes. Then stomach. Then food is moving to small intestine. Then large intestine. Then anus, alimented. So this is a tube. This is a tube-like structure by which digestion is going on. So this digestion, main function of the digestion is completing through 4 stages. Main function of digestion is completing through 4 phases. Function of digestion. Function of digestion. Digestive system. So it is completing by 4 phases. First is your injection. Second one is your digestion. Third one is absorption. And fourth one is your defecation or elimination. So food is injecting through mouth. In your daily diet you are getting foods and it is injected through by the help of mouth. In mouth it is masticating by the help of tongue and teeth. Then moving to, then is digestion. Digestion takes place in your stomach. Digestion starting stomach, then small intestine, then moving to large intestine, then in small intestine that absorption takes place. Absorption means that nutrients receiving from the food particle, what type of food you are taking, that should be, it is meeting with different enzymes secreted by different organs. I will discuss in your structure and functions of the alimentary tract. And before that you should know the absorption takes place in small intestine, because inside the small intestine, the inner wall of the small intestine, microvilli finger-like projections are present. By the help of this finger-like projection, it absorbs or soak the nutrients you know, fats from fats, nutrients your carbohydrate, your glucose, amino acids and your glycerols are soaked or absorbed through the bloodstream, and it is supplying to different part of the body. Then after the absorption over or digestion over, undigested food are to be eliminated by the help of anus. So this is the main function of the digestion. So next I am to discuss with the drawn picture. I will draw the picture, the structure and function of the digestion. Thank you.